Yo, selamat datang lagi di kelas pronunciation bersama saya Angga di sini. So, I'm gonna say welcome back to this video. Oke, di sesi kali ini kita bakal ngebahas tentang lanjutan pembahasan di materi kita di video sebelumnya, yaitu fricative sound. Nah, di mana untuk sesi kali ini kita bakal ngebahas tentang suara dari affricative ya. Jadi suara affricative ini adalah gabungan suara sh dengan t atau suara d dan j yang mana dia bakal memiliki suara yang berubah. Contoh di sini teman-teman melihat ada simbol t dan sh. Nah, ini gabungan keduanya ya. Mereka menjadi satu dan ini memiliki suara dari c ya. Jadi fonetik simbol yang berbentuk seperti ini kita suarain dengan suara c. Oke. Langsung saja kita bakalan bahas. So, let's check it out. So, in affricative sound here, jadi suara yang meletup, suara yang mendesis dan meletup. Jadi kita gabung menjadi satu. Oke, kita memiliki dua suara. Yang pertama ada suara c dan ada suara j. Nah, di sini kita bakal ngebahas tentang suara dari kedua suara affricative sound ini dengan start from initial, medial, dan final. Jadi di awal, di tengah, dan di akhir. Yo, langsung kita bahas saja. Oke, untuk di initial atau di awal. So we have like this one. So repeat after me, say together. Chance. Chance. Okay. Next one, channel. Channel. Okay, the next one, say together. Choice. Choice. Oke, teman-teman bisa melihat fonetik simbolnya. Jadi kita membacanya bukan melalui alfabetnya, tapi melalui fonetik simbolnya. Biar teman-teman suara atau pronunciation-nya you have a right and correct pronunciation. Yang penting benar di situ. Oke, selanjutnya ada medial di sini ya. Oke, untuk medial, say together adventure. Adventure. That's good. Then say culture. Culture. That's great. And the next one, departure. Departure. That's good. That's in the middle. Jadi itu yang di tengah. Yuk, selanjutnya kita pergi ke akhir. Jadi suara c yang berada di akhir kata. Oke, repeat after me, say it together. Catch. Catch. Next, watch. Watch. The next one, match. Match. That's cool. Okay, so now we're going to move here. Kita pindah ke suara j. Kalau tadi suara c, ini suara j. Oke, di awal, initial. Say it together. Giraffe. Giraffe. Next, jungle. Jungle. Next, G. G. Yuk, let's move to medial atau di tengah, di middle. Next, say it together. Changes. Changes. The next one, say it together. Suggestion. 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 Next, adjourn. Adjourn. That's cool. The last one, it's in the final. Di akhir. Say it together. Repeat after me. Say it. Cage. Cage. Bridge. Bridge. Lodge. Lodge. That's cool. Yo, sekarang kita masuk ke kalimatnya. So, how we can sound affricative sound in a sentence. So, repeat after me, say it together. Teman-teman bisa melihat garis biru di bawah sini. Nah, di garis biru bawah ini adalah suara yang kita bahas di video kali ini. Jadi mengandung suara c dan mengandung suara j. Oke, repeat after me. Kita bahas satu-satu. Say it together. If, to, whiches, would, watch, two watches, which would watch which watch. You got it? So now make like this. If two witches would watch two watches, which would watch which watch? So now make it one breath like this one. If two witches would watch two watches, which would watch which watch? You got it? Nice. So now make it a little bit fast. If two witches would watch two watches, which would watch which watch? That's a good. Okay, try to get more practicing after this one. Okay, the next one, let's have a sounds like J. Say it together, a gentle, judges, justly. Repeat again, a gentle, judges, justly. Make it one breath. A gentle judges justly. Make it a little bit fast. A gentle judges justly. That's cool. The last one, say it together. Mr. Charles. Mr. Charles, would dan you. Nah, ini bakalan menghasilkan suara seperti gini, guys ya. Jadi di dalam pronunciation juga itu kita memiliki yang namanya seperti kayak word connection gitu, gengs. Jadi penyambungan suara. Ada banyak penyambungan suara di dalam bahasa Inggrisnya. Salah satunya adalah yang ada di sini. Teman-teman bisa lihat ada would dan you. Jadi ketika teman-teman menemukan suara de ketemu dengan y, maka ini bisa berubah menjadi suara j, guys. Remember that. Contoh kayak did you, ya. Did you, could you. Nah, ini semua teman-teman bisa sambung dengan syarat suaranya harus berupa j. Contoh would you dibaca would you. Did you dibaca did you. Could you dibaca could you. So here kita bilangnya would you. So repeat after me, say it together. Mr. Charles, would you mind chopping vegetables for salad? It's not a vegetable, jadi bukan vegetable bacanya, tapi vegetables for salad. So now make it a little bit fast. Mr. Charles, would you mind chopping vegetables for salad? Okay. One more. Mr. Charles, would you mind chopping vegetables for salad? Nice. Good. So now make it a little bit clearer, guys. Repeat after me again. Make it like this. If two witches would watch two watches, which would watch which watch? Repeat it. If two witches would watch two watches, which would watch which watch? Perfect. Next, say it together. A gentle judges justly. Make it a little bit fast. A gentle judges justly. That's great. Next one, say it together. Mr. Charles, would you mind chopping vegetables for salad? Make it a little bit fast again. Mr. Charles, would you mind chopping vegetables for salad? That's great. So, that's about Africative Sounds. Itu tentang suara dari Africative. So, pantau terus video kami, teman-teman, karena video yang bakalan kita bahas di channel ini, it's all about pronunciation, start from basic until advanced level. Jadi, pantau terus video kami, karena kita bakalan ngebahas hal-hal terpenting yang berada dalam ranah pengucapan di dalam bahasa Inggris. Itu aja untuk di video kali ini. Don't forget to follow and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you very much and see you in another videos.